Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing reveal of my BoxyCharm, my glossy box, and my Ipsy makeup bag. So let's start with Ipsy, and this is what the theme of this month's bag was. So it comes with this card in there. A new year, more products, most focused on you. And welcome to the best year yet, 2019. Yeah. So what was included in this is this here lip crayon pencil. Let me just show that. That's what it looks like. Okay, also included was this Color Lab nail polish. It is in blue. Kind of hard to open. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it's kind of watery, so I'm hoping it dries evenly, but that's the color of it. Next we have Caviar Anti-Aging. It's Moisture CC Cream. Let's see what this looks like. Feels very good. Let me smell it. It has a good smell to it. It smells like perfume. Okay, so next we have the eyeshadow tool, and this is from Miss Glam. And that's what it looks like. And last but not least, Skin Balancing Mask. I'll gift that to someone because I can't use any and everything on my face. Okay. So let's go with the BoxyCharm now. Alright, it says Boxy and Chill. And what is included in this is Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray for the hair, long-lasting liquid lipstick, limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting in the eyeshadow palette volume from Tarte. I've been wanting that. It's been on sale with Sephora for a while now. It's just that it usually sells out, so I'm glad to get it. Even though it's not a current palette, I'm still glad to get it. Alright, from Tatcha, we have Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. And then we have $1 Billion Bras, Universal Bra Pencil. Let's get this going. Alright, so here's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. This is what it looks like. Okay. This is a neutral palette, which I need neutral palettes because I have all colorful palettes. So this is what it looks like. And do it without the mirror. Alright, so here's the spray, leave-in spray. I already have some of this. I got it from Glossy Box last month, and it really does work because my ends are frazzled. Alright, so here is the long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra, which I forgot to say the tip was in the bag. So let's see how that looks. That's how it looks. Which this will go very well with the pencil liner from the Ipsy bag. They go together. Let me show you. And that goes very well. Okay, next we have an eyebrow pencil. See? Alright, there it goes. And the other end looks like this. I hope this is as good as Anastasia. Alright, last but not least, we have the Tatcha skin mask. So I'm just going to pop these into my mini fridge where I put all my masks in. That way when I put it on my face, it's so cool and I can just kick back and relax while I take away some of the puffiness in my face while it does its magic. I'm looking forward to trying these. Okay, so now going with Glossy Box. And this month we have in Glossy Box. Let's see here. We have an Advent Skincare, Daily Concepts, Different, Zia. What else? Cocoa Star, and Sleek Makeup. So this looks like a very inviting box this month. But ever since I've discovered BoxyCharm, the Glossy Box is losing its hold on me. Alright, so in this Glossy Box we have the sliced mask sheet. So I'm going to pop this also into my mini fridge. We have the Zia facial wipes. We have the Sleek highlighting palette. It's called Distorted Dreams. So let me see about opening this. Kind of hard to get into. Alright. So this is what it looks like. And these are colors. As you can see here. Alright. Next we have the Different Gel. And this is for acne treatment. I know someone who can use this. My thing about my face is that I break out with moles and not with acne. I used to do acne when I was from the age of, from the age of about 13 until I was 16. And then my aunt taught me a trick with alcohol and Noxzema and mixing the two together, and it got rid of my acne after that. So later in life, I started developing moles when I got pregnant with my son, which the doctor said was due to excess pigmentation. So I don't need any acne treatment, basically. So I know someone that this can go well to, because their face do break out a lot. So that would be gifted. And let's see here. Last but not least, we had an Advent Deluxe Hydrating Acid Face and Eye Night Cream. So I'm going to try this, because I'm learning that even though my face produces a lot of oils, that my face may still be in need of hydration. Because just because it's oily doesn't mean that it's getting hydrated correctly. So I'm looking for anything that's going to make me look younger than what I am. Because I already look 10 years younger than the age I am, and I love it. I love when people mess up on my age. They're like, you're 30-something. Well, okay. Thank you. I ain't going to say what my real age is, but I thank you. So I look forward to trying this. So other than that, this has been Natasha Copeland. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on when you're watching this. And God bless. Bye.